Hey guys, obviously I'm Allie and this is my synthesis video. So the question that Chris proposed to us to answer for this video was, what is the best question that my research has prepared me to answer insightfully as well as persuasively? And so my kind of recapping my overall theme is the advancement of technology. And to kind of go through my work through process, I guess, my old questions were, so I started off with how has the advancement of technology been both beneficial and detrimental to public health, to our physical health? And then from there, I did some research and I came to my next question, which was, has an incline in technology led to a decline in public health? And then I did a little more research. And then my most recent one before my best question was, how has the advancement, excuse me, in technology affected the physical health of this generation? And so after I did more research and made conceptual groups from the research that I did, as well as interacting with my research in double entry notes, my best question would be, how has technology usage affected student academic performance? And so I guess kind of trying to sell it to you guys and sell my idea, the way that I feel like this is significant is like as we go from elementary school to middle school to high school to college, it's important to do well in school. And we can do well, when, like, if we know our information and stuff like that, we can do well. But however, our cognitive performance is affected by brain development, sleep patterns, exhaustion, stuff like that. And so as I did my research, I realized how much technology had an effect on that and how much it has been both, beneficial and detrimental. But I really wanted to focus on how our academic life has been affected by it. I think it's interesting because, like I said, there's just so many ways that it is affecting us, whether it be, eyesight or hearing or sleeping patterns, which I'll talk more about later. I think it's important to our audience, which is you guys, because this is us. This is the reality that we're in. We're in college now, but this has been affecting us since we were in elementary school when iPhones started coming out and different iPods and different TV shows and different games. So it's important to keep everyone informed about this. And so I definitely have found a very significant amount of research when it comes to this. I've looked at how technology has affected both today's generation from like today's students, not just campus, but students like in general, mental health as well as physical health. And so there are goods and bads to both. Sorry, I'm fiddling with my papers, but there's definitely more. I have personally found more cons than pros, but to share both. For mental pros, our brains grow by learning. And so there are different apps out there that can help us with studying, that can help us just our brains to grow and develop to help us learn, which is great for our academic performance. And then for physical, they have actually shown that, which is crazy to think, but like video games have helped with like our eyesight because of it helps with our peripheral vision. So like bigger TVs and higher resolution like helps, and like video games where you're the actual player in the player's perspective like helps with our whoever, I don't play it, but whoever's peripheral vision. And then for cons, different mental cons would be that overexposure to technology has an impact on attention span, concentration, and like even appetite control, which is crucial to college. I think about, we can get super distracted with Netflix and the availability of that. College, there's such thing as the freshman 15. Physical wise, like electronics refrain us from being able to be outside and to exercise, and which is important, because that's what keeps our body moving and our brain constantly functioning. It's even said that we're supposed to be taking breaks like throughout studying so our brain can process and even help that. But we sleeping habits get shut down and get stopped and interrupted when we use technology late at night. There's even the thing where brain development is still going on during teenage years, and so could possible radiation be affecting that because it's the closest part of your brain to your ear. But I definitely think that I'm ready to tackle this particular best question when it comes to my research, and I feel really ready to even research even more if need be. So thanks.